were people who used to work as alarm clocks. Before alarm clocks became affordable, people used to hire knocker-uppers to wake them up in the morning in the 19th century. At first, the knocker-uppers would simply just bang the doors, but banging the doors would actually wake up the neighbors who didn't pay for their services. So then they decided to start using rods, long modified sticks, and even pea shooters. So if the knocker-uppers woke us up, who woke the knocker-uppers up? Well, they were night owls. They slept during the day after finishing their rounds, getting paid only a few pennies each week.